Using Excel to construct a confidence interval estimate of a population mean. This video uses example 2 from section 7-3 titled Constructing a Confidence Interval, Highway Speeds. Confidence intervals can be constructed in Excel using the XLStat add-in. Instructions for installing XLStat are provided in section 1-5 of Elementary Statistics Using Excel 5th edition. Note that the Excel function confidence or confidence.norm should not be used. It is also important to note that Excel and XLStat require a list of original sample data and do not work with summary statistics alone. If only summary statistics are available, the Excel function tinv can be used as described at the end of this video. First, click on the XLStat tab in the ribbon. Next, click on the Parametric Tests button and then select One Sample, T-Test, and Z-Test from the drop-down menu. You should now see the One Sample, T-Test, and Z-Test dialog box. In the Data box, enter the range of cells that contain the data. In this example, we enter A1 through A12 since those cells contain the 12 speed sample values. Under Data Format, select One Sample. Check the Student's T-Test box if the population standard deviation is not known, as in this example. If the population standard deviation is known, which is rare, check the Z-Test box. If the data range includes a data label, check the Column Labels box. If there is no data label, as in this example, uncheck the box. Click the Range option and enter A1 or the cell of your preference if you want the results displayed on the current worksheet. Results will start at this cell. Click Sheet if you want the results displayed on a new worksheet. In this example, we will select Sheet. Click the Options tab. Under Alternative Hypothesis, select Mean 1 does not equal theoretical mean. In the Theoretical Mean box, use the default value of 0. Finally, in the Significance Level box, enter the desired value. Enter 5 for a 95% confidence interval. This is the default value and the value we use in this example. Click OK, click Continue, and the confidence interval is displayed in the results under X% confidence interval on the mean. In this example, we are 95% confident that the confidence interval limits of 58.1 miles per hour and 63.3 miles per hour actually do contain the value of the population mean. It appears that the mean speed is below the speed limit of 65 miles per hour. As mentioned at the beginning of the video, Excel cannot construct the confidence interval using summary statistics alone. If only summary statistics are available, the Excel function tinv can be used. Enter equal tinv open parentheses. First, enter the significance level. In this example, we are constructing a 95% confidence interval, so we input 0.05. Insert a comma, then enter the degrees of freedom. In this example, we have 12 sample values, so our degrees of freedom equals 12 minus 1, or 11. Close the parentheses and press Enter to get the critical t value of 2.200985. Using this critical t value, we can now calculate the margin of error as described in section 7-3 of the textbook. This margin of error is calculated to be 2.6 rounded. The confidence interval can be constructed by adding the margin of error to the sample mean to get the upper limit and subtracting the margin of error from the sample mean to get the lower limit. In this example, the confidence interval is calculated as the sample mean of 60.7 plus or minus the margin of error of 2.6. This yields the same confidence interval limits found earlier of 58.1 miles per hour and 63.3 miles per hour.